is on the stall, that determines the carat content.
Wow. Huh.
Well, how much we gave him alone for this?
Okay.
150.
In this?
Yeah. So what's happening is, our girls are getting crazy busy at the window.
All right.
Passing it over the handle. The fakes are getting so good that it's impossible for them to tell that they're passing the acid test. So I'm going to do some homework. I mean, this is...
No, this is it. We're losing a lot of money. How much are you trying to get me for?
100 bucks.